Welcome to this video. In this video, you are getting to know about the tourist places in Shivamogga district. Shivamogga is called Gateway of Western Ghats. The tourist places in Shivamogga district they are as follows: Kavalai Durga Fort, Achakanya Falls, Hidlu Mane Falls, Jogigundi Falls, Linganamakki Dam, Sigandur Chaudeshwari Temple, Kannur Fort, Onake Abbi Falls, Barkana Falls, Gajnur Dam, Mandagadde Bird Sanctuary, Gudavi Bird Sanctuary, Kundadri, a trekking place, Dabbe Falls, Tavarekoppa Tiger and Lion Safari, Honnamaradu, Joke Falls, Sacred Heart Church, Shivappa Nayaka Palace Museum, Kunchikal Falls, Nagra Fort, Mattur, Hosahalli, Bhimeshwara Temple, Kodachadri Hill, Shivappa Nayaka Fort, Ambutirtha. Ambutirtha is the virgin place of Sharavati River, Kunchikal Falls, Kuvempu House, Kavishaila, Rameshwara Temple, Tirthahalli, Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple at Bhadravati City, Sakrebailu Elephant Camp, Shettihalli Wildlife Sanctuary, Kedareshwara Temple, Shivamogga, Kudligi, the Varanasi of South, Ninasam, the powerhouse of Kannada culture. It's located in Heggodu village of Shivamogga district. Sridura Ashrama, Varadalli, Keladi Rameshwara Temple, Belligavi or Dakshina Kedara. Thank you.